While the entire world is talking about Sora 2 and VO 3.1 and how awesome they are, Meta AI just did something that could completely change the AI game, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Meta AI has just signed a multi-year deal for $140 million with Black Forest Labs to integrate their cutting-edge image generation model called Flux directly into its systems. And that's not even the end of it. They've also partnered with Midjourney to license its advanced image and video generation models for use inside Meta's AI systems. Now here's the crazy part. Right now, you can generate unlimited images and videos absolutely free. That means you're basically getting access to Flux and Midjourney video for free with no generation limits. Is this the greatest AI news for content creators or what? Now, for those who don't know, Flux is literally one of the best AI image generators out there. And if you follow my videos, you already know how much I love Flux. And who doesn't know Midjourney, right? It's basically the godfather of AI image generation. But what most people don't know is that Midjourney also has a video generation model, and the quality is absolutely mind-blowing. All the images and videos you're seeing right now in this video, yep, they've all been generated using Meta AI, and as you can see, the quality is just incredible. Now, I think Mark Zuckerberg really wants to get into the AI race, and honestly, this move is pure genius. If you can't compete with the best, just partner with them. And that's exactly what Meta is doing. So in today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can use this tool to unlock your full creative potential, completely free and without any limits. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description. After that, you need to sign up using your Meta ID, which is basically your Facebook or Instagram account. Once you're in, you'll see an interface like this. And here's the best part about Meta AI. You can download the Meta AI app on your phone and use it, or you can even use it on WhatsApp or Facebook, which is pretty awesome. You can also use Meta AI for normal tasks you would do on ChatGPT if you want, but for now, let's generate some images and see how good it really is. To generate images, click on this plus icon and then choose Create. From here, you can choose whether you want to generate images or videos. Let's try images first. You can also change the aspect ratio from the section. Let's set it to this. In the aesthetics section, you can make adjustments, but I'll just keep it at default. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll paste this prompt, and as always, I've created a detailed document containing all the prompts and the link for this video. Just comment guide and I'll send it to you. After that, just hit generate, and it will start creating. And here is the output. Actually, it has created 4 different images, and I'm showing you guys the one I liked the most. Wow, just look at this image, folks. It perfectly captures the cinematic vibe I was looking for. And trust me, I've used Meta's image generator before. There's no way this image was generated with Meta's image model. I'm 100% sure this is Flux, and I absolutely love it. Just imagine the kind of cinematic content you'll be able to create with this. In my opinion, Flux can create cinematic images like a pro. Let's try one more. This time, let's go for an animated style image. So I'll write this prompt and simply hit generate. And here's the output. Now this is just outstanding. It literally looks like a screenshot from a high budget animated movie, doesn't it? Just look at the details in this picture. The fur, the grass, everything looks amazing. Now imagine the kinds of animated stories you'll be able to create using this. You're only limited by your imagination. Let's try one more, this time something a bit more challenging. I'll paste this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Wow, the character design is fantastic. A classic gray alien with big eyes and wrinkled skin, brought to life with a straw cowboy hat and plaid shirt. The textures, lighting, and details make it feel real. His tired, grumpy expression adds personality, while the blurred, rustic background grounds him in his world. The warm, cinematic lighting makes it look like a movie still. Meta AI turned a funny idea into something totally believable. That's great AI work. Let's try one last image before we move on to video generation. I'll give it this prompt and hit generate, and here it is. This image looks outstanding too. I'm honestly in awe that this is free and unlimited. I don't know what image generation model is behind this. It could be Flux or Midjourney, but I don't even care because the outputs are just amazing. And now, let's generate some videos with this and see how good they are. So once again, click on the plus icon and choose create. Next, switch it to videos, and after that, you'll need to upload your image here. I've uploaded the image. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll keep the prompt very simple and then hit generate. It really doesn't take much time to render. It's only about a minute or so. And here's the output. Wow, I honestly wasn't expecting the result to be this good. Everything looks so smooth and cinematic, and exactly what I was looking for. There are no weird distortions or morphing. Everything feels natural. Look at the water. It flows perfectly with the ship. Overall, this is an outstanding video. What really stands out is how natural the motion feels. The man's slow head turn is smooth, weighted, and lifelike. Not just movement, but believable animation. His coat shifts slightly, adding realism, while the background, lighting, and details stay perfectly stable. This is what great image to video should be, turning a still moment into organic, story-driven motion. Meta AI absolutely nailed it, and the fact that it's completely free and unlimited right now is just insane. Let's try one more. This time, I'll use this image, give it a prompt, and hit generate. And as expected, this video also looks outstanding. I'm telling you guys, with this tool, you can create amazing content if you're creative enough, and you don't need to spend a single dime. What else could you possibly want? Now, let's try one last video. This time, I'll give it this image and prompt, and hit generate, and here's the output. This one really nailed it. I can't believe I can create videos like this with Meta AI now. If you've used Meta AI before, I'm sure you also won't believe how much it has improved. Watch how she walks, the stride, the confidence, the way her body moves. That's not easy to generate. Walking motion has to look natural or it falls apart immediately, and Meta AI got it right. Her hands stay in her pockets the whole time, which is a smart detail because it keeps the animation focused and clean. No weird hand movements to mess things up. The clothes move with her too. The wide leg pants flow naturally as she walks, and that's the kind of detail that makes or breaks a fashion video. And check out the reflections on that runway floor. They stay consistent as she moves forward. That's technically difficult to pull off, but it works perfectly here. The background stays stable too. The blurred audience, the lights, everything holds together while she's in motion. Meta AI turned a static fashion image into a believable runway moment. The walk feels real, the movement is smooth, and nothing breaks the illusion. That's quality image to video right there. So there you have it, folks. Flux and Midjourney quality, completely free and unlimited through Meta AI. If you don't use this opportunity to create amazing content right now, trust me, you'll regret it later. AI is evolving every single day, and so many people like me have completely changed their lives using AI to create content. So what are you waiting for? Go start creating now before it's too late. And as of now, at the time of recording this video, it's completely free with no generation limits. But I'm sure it won't stay unlimited forever. So make sure you take full advantage of this opportunity while it lasts, because you don't always get the chance to use incredible tools like Midjourney or Flux for free and without any restrictions. But thanks to Mark Zuckerberg, we can finally experience that level of creativity without limits. It truly feels like a golden era for creators. What a beautiful time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.